So Steve, Bosch has introduced a new product, but I guess we can say it's a reintroduction of a new product. The Panoramic 360s and 180s we've had for a few years now, and it's a great product. But we were missing a little bit of the market because we really didn't have out of the box an outdoor rated IK10 rated version of it, but now we do. And can you tell us a little bit more about the product and what it can do?
So this is the new introduction that Tom's talking about. It's the outdoor and as well the IK10 rated FLEXIDOME 360 and 180 panoramic cameras. Single imager, 12 megapixel. It's available with both IVA and EVA separately. Okay. One of the really kind of neat features about this product, if you look at this, is that this is going to start using the same series of universal mounts that the 8000i 2 megapixel 1080p, the 5 megapixel, 6 megapixel, and the 4K version used. So this will look familiar, nice heavy plate. The back of the unit basically mounts to the plate, rotates, clicks in. You'll notice also the same configuration where the top comes off. You have the nice heavy screws, waterproof capability, and then that gives you access to the camera. So perfect. It uses the same grommet as well to make it waterproof, and it is very heavy. So it's made to be, I'll say, abused or in an environment where it can take some torture.
So we have it in a 6,000, 7,000, like you said, with the EVA, IVA analytics. It's IK10. It's outdoor rated.
IK10 and outdoor rated simultaneously.
And it is a 180, 360 versions, two separate versions. It comes with all the accessories that the 8000i that we've done videos on already is compatible. But we also have a couple other little accessories that we've got from a third party. And the big reason for that is to get certain angles.
Right. So the normal mounts that come from Bosch, again, the universal mount series, the same thing that if you make reference back to the videos we did for the 8000i, the wall mount, the different pendant mounts and things like that. You have all of the rain shields and things like that you can use as well. But there are some things where if you want to mount it against the surface and you just want to tilt it down, because again, the camera does a great job of seeing everything out in front, but if you're up higher on a wall and you want to be able to tilt it down to see the base of the wall,
so you're
or
not getting all that sky.
Right, and there's some other different things that we're going to have that we've added to our accessory line at the MidChes website, like we've done in the past. So if you have some special requirements and you don't see a mount that Bosch offers, let us know. Give us a call. Contact us at support@midches.com, and we will try to point you in the right direction. If it's something that we think we're going to need on a regular basis, we could add it to our line for a regular product.
So again, give us a call if you need a demo, if you have some questions regarding what accessories. Also, our inside sales support is excellent. So if it's on the data sheet, great. But if you can't see it or you're not sure, give us a call or send us an email. We'll help you any way possible.